Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Abed Ali Sargani. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is lecture number 2 on the origin and classification of the birds. So let's start our second lecture. You know what is ornithology? It's the science or study of the birds. Taxonomy of the birds. Birds belongs to the kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Craniata, and class Aves. This is the short taxonomy of the birds. Origin of the birds. History of the birds is 150 million years old. Goes to Mesozoic era on the evolution of the Archaeopteryx. And there are two theories about the Archaeopteryx evolution: Therapeutic Hypothesis and Tacodons Hypothesis. Let's discuss. Therapeutic Hypothesis. You know what are the theropods? Theropods are the sum of the dinosaurs from which the Archaeopteryx have been evolved. There are some similarities between the theropods and Archaeopteryx, like shoulder sockets, carpal wrist bone, egg laying in nest, and incubation patterns. Tacodons Hypothesis. What does Tacodons Hypothesis mean? What are the Tacodons? Tacodons are the small lizard-like flying reptiles having teeth. These are considered as the ancestors of theropods also. Tacodons are known for the short forelimbs, smaller bodies, and long tails. Tacodons give rise to the crocodilians, Dinosauria, and pterosaurs, and these are some of the characters which belongs to the birds. Domestic fowl evolved from the Gallus, commonly called red jungle fowl. These are some of the important or the well-known domestic birds. Gallus is commonly called as the jungle fowl also due to its living habit. Firstly, birds were used for the entertainment, but after the Second World War, poultry has been greatly used in the meat production and food industry. Fowl domestication started 8000 BC in Southeast Asia, 5400 BC in China, and 2000 BC in Indus Valley. And then American Poultry Association started its work in 1873, aimed to maintain the pure breeding stock in poultry industry. Zoological names of some important species. Domestic fowl or chicken is called Gallus domesticus. Duck is known as Anas platyrancus. Turkey, male egress Gallo-pavo, and quail. Quail is known as Cocharnyx japonica. Thank you very much for watching my video. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and sharing is caring.